Alright, so guys, you're going to need three things. First of all, you're going to need to subscribe to my channel. Secondly, you're going to need Sanctus Library. This link will be in the description, sanctus.gumroad.com/. I'm not going to read it all out to you. You can see it right there. I'm going to link that in the description. And what you're going to do is go over to this Sanctus Library Lite where it says $0. Click on this. Name a fair price. Say 0. It's up to you. These guys have got a really good pack. You could buy this pack if you wanted to for personal use. I do recommend just trying out the light version first. Like I said, $0, it's free. So add this to your cart. I'll get it sent to this email address. You just put your email address and click get. And then you don't even have to go to your email address. It just comes up here. So you want to download this light version, the zip. So you click download. Start download. While that's downloading, you can use this, DayZ Texture Baker. This is what I'll be using in the video. I'd appreciate if you did purchase it from me. It's only £1. And it converts your normal maps to work with DayZ, and it converts SMDIs for you as well. So you don't have to go through, you can make your guns look really good, basically using this tool. So this will be linked in the description as well below. So we've got this. I already have this installed. The instructions on how to install this will be included in the download, by the way. So if you do purchase this, I'd appreciate if you left a customer review because, well, it said there's no reviews at the moment. I want to try and get some reviews on my website. It's quite new here, and I'm trying to get some trust from you guys. So a review really helps a lot as well. So you've got your Sanctus Library for free, Texture Baker. You can get this as well. Let's get into this. So first of all, we're going to have to open Blender. Just delete that. There we go. So if you have your model as well, your P3D model, you're going to import Armor P3D. If you don't know how to do this, there is another link in my description on how to import this. I'll call the video Import P3Ds, and there'll be a link to that video down below. So let me go to my desktop. I should have it in the tutorial. UMP45. So let's just get this in here real quick. Again, I cover this on how to get this to look good in that other video. Oh, I'm forgetting how to do it myself. I should go back and watch my own video, shouldn't I? Oh, I clicked the wrong thing as well. I'm rushing this. I shouldn't rush. Delete. Faces. So there we go. You got your gun. And you want to texture it. So you need to go to your Edit. Preferences. This is where we import that the Sanctus Library. So let's just put this here. Go to your add-ons. You click Install. And you go to where you downloaded that Sanctus Library. Mine was in my Downloads Compressed. There we go. So import that. Give it a moment. And it should, oh my god, do I have to search for it? I don't know why it's done that. Sanctus Library, it automatically activates, so that's good. So you can close this. Now you'll see on this top right hand side, it's like a little tiny arrow. You click on that, and you go to Sanctus. And then, say if I want to add a bit of stone to my material, I'll click on stone. And if you click in this thumbnail here, you can see the options that it has. So I've got marble calcutta. So I'm going to select my object, go back into object mode, make sure it's selected, and click apply material. And if you're thinking it's not done anything, it's not applied it, on this top you need to click the third board along, the viewport shading, and then give it a moment to load. And as you can see, it's got like a marble color. This one's very, very slow on my computer to load. So let's just get a metal, shall we? Let's get this one. It's a nice colourful one to look at. So there you go. So you got your texture on there. Now if we go to your shading tab up here, you can see you have, this is what it looks like. And if you've got my Texture Baker, let me just remove that off of there, unhook that. You press add, you search for DayZ from my Texture Baker. And you input this here, and then you get color bake. Hook this up to your color. This is the Sanctus Library node, by the way. Every one of these Sanctus Library nodes has these outputs, so it's perfect. So metallic to your metallic, roughness to roughness, normal to normal. And then if you do the BSDF to surface, you'll see that it's applied it all successfully. And then with the DayZ Texture Baker, look, we have the no HQ. We have the SMIDI as well. When it loads. There you go. Doesn't look like a lot because this is just a straight metal, but there is actually different colours in there. It's a very shiny material. Let me try a different material on this on the gun. Now let me go back to, let me not do that. Let me just do this. You can also change the pattern on this. Just as like longer ones, shorter ones, separations. I don't know what that does. The roughness, the bump, texture size. There we go. So I can make it like really small grid. Change the colours on it, and so on and so forth. In the specular, you can turn it up and down if it's too shiny for you. So there's that. And let's just say I'm gonna cover this in this tutorial because somebody asked me earlier. So if you want to make this a different metal, the scope rail, you want to go into edit mode up here. Edit mode. I'm going to turn this onto viewport shading wireframe mode and go to a side-on view like this. So, and then I'll draw a box around the bit I want to select, like so. And now that whole top section's selected, I want to right-click, separate, selection. Now on this right-hand side, you'll see we have a separate model over here now. So if we go back into this, go back to object mode just so it looks a bit better. So you can select two different things now. So in Sanctus, I'm going to add a gold to this now, or this anodized aluminium. So you can see it's like a different texture to it. And let's just add Texture Baker into here as well. You can also do Shift A and then S. So Shift A brings up the menu, S is for search, and then you can just search for DayZ Texture Baker. Do the same again. Color. This one doesn't have a metallic, so it's okay. Roughness. And then BSDF to there. As you can see, normal bake. I forgot the normal. My apologies. There you go. So now, if we go into... Alright, so when you have them both selected, not both selected, you have both textures where you want them. You want to go, when it comes to baking, this is the awkward part. You have to select this. If you want to bake the color one out, you can just put CO, but we're going to do no HQ for this because it's easier to see. So we've got the no HQ on that one. Click on this model. No HQ on there as well. So then this is what we want to bake out. So you've got to combine them both together. So select both models here, press Ctrl J, and then when you bake, it'll bake that one image. And then you press Ctrl Z to deselect them both. Go in, change it to SMIDI, and change that one to SMIDI as well. And then do the same again, select them both, Ctrl J, do your baking process, and then Ctrl Z to come out of it, and they're separated again. So that's the easiest way to do it that I've figured out so far. There might be other ways. I haven't quite figured that out just yet. So if this video has helped, please do leave a like, and also hit that subscribe button. I'm trying to get there. Guys. I believe that you can help me get there. And if you need any further help, my Discord is linked down below. I will be answering as soon as I can, and hopefully some of the other members of the Discord will be able to help you if I can't quite get to you in time, because I do need to sleep. I'm still human. But I'm rambling. That's it for this video today, guys. I'm gonna make another video tomorrow. I covered both the topics. I was gonna separate this into two videos, but fuck it. It's only what, 12 minutes. By the end of this video, it'll be about a 5-minute clip, I reckon. So a quick video for you today, guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and I shall see you probably tomorrow when I make another one. Happy. I've got to think of an outro. Let me know in the comments what you think I should do for an outro. For now, I'm just going to say goodbye. Love you.